Before you install your Osterville lantern post, there's two important things to remember. The first is before you put any shovel in the ground, you should contact your local utilities locator so that you don't hit any utilities in the ground. And you should also make sure the power is turned off. One helpful tip when digging a hole is to use a mat. It keeps the area clean and aids in the backfilling of your hole. The Osterville lantern post is also a mail post, so it's important to have it at the right height. For postal code, the bottom of your mailbox should be 40 to 46 inches from the road to the bottom. All of the Walpole lantern post is supplied with a pull string to aid in the installation of your wire into your new post. Always check for plumb or level as you backfill and tamp the earth around your post. Before you install any trim, such as the trim box, make sure there are no burrs or excess glue that may scratch the post as you slide the box over it. When turning your platform boards so that they are 90 degrees to your mailbox arm, make sure you always turn them clockwise so they tighten as they turn. A helpful hint when you're screwing your pieces onto your post, you'll notice as you screw the screws in, the piece will pull away from the post. If you back the screw out and then drive it in again, it'll hold apart in tight. Little helpful hint, if you want to be able to raise and lower your trim box for weed whacking or mulching, you can leave these screws out so that you can do that in the future. To add to the stability of your mailbox, make sure to install the screw through the back of your box into the post. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for assembling your mailbox. One helpful tip, if height is an issue, you can start your screws into your cap down on the ground. All of the Walpole lantern post caps are screwed on so that they add stability for your lantern.